Today, nurses gathered in Northeast Portland to protest a lack of COVID protections for them within the Providence healthcare system. A car caravan started at Northeast Halsey and it traveled by several buildings associated with Providence. KOIN 6's Jennifer Dowling, she is live now with details on why these nurses are so upset about their working conditions. Jennifer?
Good evening, Wayne. They say that there was an outbreak at Providence Medical Center just about a month ago, and they told us today that's just one of the reasons that they decided to hit the road in protest today.
Being exposed to COVID is something that every single one of us is afraid of when we go to work.
A car caravan of nurses with signs that read "Protect people, not profits" took to the streets, hoping to amplify a message they say they've been shouting for months.
We don't have, in terms of what are the industry standard, in terms of COVID protections. For example, I've only gotten 2 N95 masks since the beginning of this whole pandemic.
These nurses say a shortage of personal protective equipment still remains a concern months after the pandemic began.
What I will say is that we've been asking for these things for a long time, for months and months, and to still be here after almost a year when it does have lots of resources, to still be basically begging for what I could go across the river and go get in another healthcare system in the city is really astonishing.
There's also a concern about a lack of routine testing.
Our patients get tested more than we do.
And they're requesting paid time forced to stay home.
When your employer says you should stay home because there's been a work exposure, we should be able to still be able to pay our bills.
This protest follows a COVID outbreak at a Providence facility among patients who were not originally sick with the virus, and it reportedly spread to other patients were sickened on an 18-bed floor. Of the 217 workers on the floor, 36 tested positive. 24 have since returned to work. The unit was closed for deep cleaning and has not yet been reopened. Providence is still investigating, but does not have a known cause.
I think that if they had responded to our requests to negotiate additional protections earlier on, months ago, it may not have happened.
And again, here's a list of things that they're asking for: appropriate access to personal protective equipment, better testing at work, better testing for patients, as well as benefits for time off if they are exposed and must take that time off. We reached out to the administration to see if they had any comment on the protest today, and they said nope, they weren't commenting on the situation today. Back to you, Wayne.